What's up? This is Tech Baron with the high definition reviews. This is the super cool JVC digital cybercam. This was 1998's first quite physically large MiniDV camera. There were other cameras that were smaller, but this used MiniDV tapes, so it was worth it. The tapes are tiny. They're hella small. They're very tiny. They hold about an hour of video in high definition. These use a helical scan recording method very similar to a home VCR. So there's an offset drum in there that spins. That's how it records the video. You can probably see it right there. There's the record head. Little tiny guy. But yeah, these tapes are tiny as shit. I'm surprised this thing still works. Because most of the time these break. So yeah, it had a cool flip out screen. It was color, hella cool flip out screen. And then a color viewfinder, because it's cool as fuck. Color viewfinder. And you got all your transport controls, so you can play, rewind, manual push for the menu and all that shit. Flexible screen, super dope. Big ass nickel metal hydride 6-volt battery. It's useless today because it's like hella old and burnt out. Easy to get a replacement, but they aren't cheap. They're kind of expensive. A lens cover to keep the lens nice. Dual microphones and a halogen lamp so you can see what you're doing when you're filming. Yeah, it's a decent camera. It's pretty good. It's hella big. It's a GRDV F20 model that uses MiniDV cassettes. This is one of the original ones that actually came with this camera back in 1998. I found it in the bag, so I wouldn't be surprised if this was one of the like booster cassettes that you got when you bought the thing. But yeah, it's really cool, kind of kludgy, majorly huge camera, but I'm a major fan of MiniDV cassettes because they're not analog. They record digital video, so there is no grain on this. It looks very pro, so it's actually still a good format. Some people still use it. I mean, the closest relation that I can give is like some people still use like Beta SP and shit. So yeah, it's like similar to this. But yeah, these tapes are cool. You can use different manufacturers. I got Panasonic one. But yeah, I picked this up at the thrift store for like $7, and it still works. And it's got cool like crossfade effects and like cut snap edit effects, frame rate effects. It even can do 16:9, 24 frames a second. It's got manual brightness contrast control. It's actually sort of pro. Sort of ish. Anyway, this is Hubcaps Tech Baron. I just thought it was really cool because I've had 3 of these and they all broke, and gears like fell out of one of them while it was in my hand. Literally, it just grenaded in my hand. But like because the tapes are so small, the mechanisms break easy, so usually these aren't gonna last. And the manual's cool. It goes into why MiniDV tapes are cool and how the MPEG compression works through the chip into the tape and on the helical scan recording head, and kind of neat. So maybe I'll do something cool with it. Go on an adventure up in the snow or something, or I don't know. It's a big, giant, reliable, high definition-ish camcorder. MiniDV's base resolution was close to 720p, so it's a pretty neat little camera, even though it's old as fuck. Anyway, here's the tech blurbs. Coming back at you. Talk to you later.